Objective Zero Accidents. Experience accidents virtually to prevent them in real life. Since its creation in 2016, Immersive Factory has been working on and developing innovative training programs with the goal of reducing workplace accidents. To achieve this, we use virtual reality. VR headsets have become accessible, easy to use, high-performing and reasonably priced. We have developed an extensive catalog of VR workshops, allowing learners to train safely in realistic environments. The immersion is incredibly strong as we use 360-degree technology. The learner finds themselves in a familiar environment and can move around within it. This enables them to safely face hazardous situations such as working at height, confined spaces, slips and trips, lockout, tagout procedures, pedestrian crossings, and many more accidents that unfortunately occur frequently. We collaborate with both large corporations and small businesses, offering our workshops in France and internationally, as most of them are translated into 10 to 15 languages. Our workshops are commonly used to raise awareness among employees during safety days, safety briefings, toolbox talks, or to illustrate dangerous situations in traditional HSE training programs. With virtual reality, employees learn from their mistakes. Because they are actively engaged in their training, they retain procedures and safety instructions more effectively. This active learning approach also helps change their behavior. Our training and workshops help contextualize risks, raising awareness of the importance of shared vigilance in preventing major hazards. I remain at your disposal to discuss our work in more detail. Wishing you an excellent day.